Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy karahi. First, ensure you have about 2 pounds of chicken, cut into small, manageable pieces. Next, gather your key spices, red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Don't forget fresh ginger and garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon each, to build that foundational flavor. These initial steps are crucial for a delicious dish. Now, let's start cooking. Heat about 1/4 cup of oil in your karahi over medium-high heat. Add the ginger and garlic paste, sautéing for just 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, introduce the chicken pieces, stirring well to coat them. Brown the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring it gets a nice sear before adding other ingredients. This step locks in the juices. Next, we'll build that signature creamy sauce. Add 2 medium chopped tomatoes to the chicken, cooking until they soften and break down, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Then, stir in about 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, mixing thoroughly until it's fully incorporated. Finally, for that luxurious creaminess, add 1/4 cup of fresh cream, simmering gently for a few minutes. This creates a rich, velvety base. To finish, garnish your creamy karahi with fresh cilantro and a few sliced green chilies for a touch of heat and freshness. Serve this delicious dish hot with warm naan bread or fluffy rice for a truly satisfying meal. It's perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your homemade karahi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.